All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, onto this, a popular Yoruba monarch finally cries out onto what is going on in Yoruba land. Well, and then as it stands, majority of people actually know what is happening. Situation whereby a lot of people have been complaining that the people who are actually saddled with the responsibility of taking care of the people, the Yoruba people, are not doing anything about it. And talking about the likes of the governor of the Yoruba people itself, talking about the governor of southwestern part of Nigeria, that they are not even saying anything simply because of what they are getting from the federal government. And talking about the Yoruba monarchs themselves also, it has been gathered that they are not doing anything. The governors of the state are not doing anything about the kidnap of people, killings of people on a daily basis in Yoruba land. Yes. And then this time around, a monarch, it has been exposed that one of the Yoruba monarchs, had come out and he called one of the Yoruba nation agitators who had actually disclosed that, but he did not mention his name. And then onto this one, this Yoruba monarch actually came out and he called this Yoruba nation agitator. And he told him that, see, you might not know who is speaking, but I will tell you that I am so monarch of this so land in Yoruba. Well, and then the agitator was shocked that, how come? Are you sure you are the one? He said, yes, just listen. Okay, fine. And then when he listened to the monarch was able to express his bitterness about what is going on in Yoruba land, that they are not happy with the situation on ground, that what the agitators are doing, that is a very good thing, that the agitators are actually doing the right thing, and then that they should keep it up, that though because of the position they are occupying, this set of monarchs are working solely for with the federal government, and then they get their fund salaries and some benefits. So simply because we have said this before now, that simply because of the benefits the Yoruba monarchs are getting from the federal government of Nigeria, they have refused to tell the truth. But meanwhile, some of them actually love Yoruba nation, but how for do they are, that is why they are still remaining there. But meanwhile, we still have the major ones who are still wicked. Yeah, so we must not get it twisted, because we understand that where we have the good ones, definitely we still have the bad ones. And the likes of this set of people, talking about one of the monarchs now called one of the Yoruba agitator through phone, and he was able to express himself that, you see, what the Yoruba agitators are actually doing is the right thing, that this set of people are doing the best, they are doing their best, and they are saying everything, but the problem is they will not be able to come out this time around like he himself is talking about himself anyway. So don't let me talk for all of them. So the monarch came out and he said, speaking for himself, that not that he do not want, or he does not want or love what the Yoruba people are doing, but he wouldn't be able to come out openly, but he is happy with what the Yoruba agitators are saying. That, in fact, according to him, he said, Nigeria has done us no good. We are all tired. That the situation of Nigeria is nothing to write home about. And hearing all this one from a monarch, that is to tell a Yoruba monarch, so to say, that is to tell you that things are actually difficult. If a Yoruba monarch can come out to say he is suffering, that the situation is nothing to write home about, that they are all tired, then what will the masses now say? And that's another one that I've been able to gather from that too, that somebody like a monarch is coming out to say he is tired of what is going on in Nigeria. Then what will a common man now say? That is why the people are always of the opinion that no going back, because they know that if they venture go back, that it will be suicidal. let me use it that way. If they venture that, oh, at this juncture that we want to go back, you will find yourself to blame simply because the Yoruba nation no movement has seen it all. The Yoruba agitators have seen it all. They have seen it that if we say we should go back, we have been suffering all this while, but just at the 11th hour, when we have even seen our victory, that our victory is just looking at us very close by, then it's not the time to say we want to go back. That's one thing. Secondly, another thing is what is going on in the country is nothing to write home about. It's not something that is encouraging, that will now make the people to say, oh, they want to have, no, they want to remain in that same country, that they can be maybe restructuring, or it will be better, that Nigeria will be better. For how long will that be? And then the worst scenario had been that right now the so-called Fulani had strategized plans against the agitators, that they are even saying it to them that they should get themselves prepared. A lot of information got leaked during the week, and to God be the glory, God is in this himself, and that is why you can see that a lot of the agitators are excelling. That is why you can see somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho is still alive to witness the light of today. Do you think it's by his power for him to have escaped that invasion at the middle of that night? 300 DSS. Who does that? Yeah, so it could only be God, and exactly why we are still saying that there is God in this matter. That is why everybody this time around needs to be very prayerful. Yeah, so because even the so-called monarchs, Yoruba monarchs themselves, are saying they are tired. They are tired of everything that is going on. Well, majority of them are no let's say majority of them are in support of Yoruba nation, if we not deceive ourselves. We've seen some couple of them come out, but this time around this one is coming out openly to tell you that like this, so the Yoruba agitators are actually doing the right thing, but just that he or some of them might not be able to come out to say it the way they want it. Simply, they are because of the fact that they are still under that same government that is making them to feel robust, that is feeding them, yes, where they are eating from. My brother, my sister, no be small something. But the truth of the matter right now is that everyone needs to wake up. Everyone needs to wake up. And then he had also, one of the agitators had also made us understand that most of all these monarchs, some of these monarchs, so to say, that are doing all these things, that are supporting one Nigeria, because most of them have taking it upon themselves that anything that is happening to any of the indigents of the states does not concern them. That is, they are all selfish people, because they believe that on their own part they will be able to get what they and their generation to come will live with. You understand? So right now they are not even thinking of the masses. They are not thinking of the people that they have been the people that have brought them into that position, and that's exactly what is destroying the whole country. Just myself, selfishness, and then this time around the people have said it that they will never and never go back. Yoruba nation not going back, and exactly what the people are talking about, and exactly what it is. Well, my people, majority of things though have been said. We all know what is going on, and our prayer is that the good Lord will give the Yoruba nation their country, yes, in no time, and exactly what it is. Because this side of people are in for good. They want every other person to smile. They want killings to stop. They want insecurity to stop, kidnapping to stop, and they want food to be in the land, electricity, every good thing they want. So why won't you support those kind of people who are actually in for the truth and then nothing but the truth? And then, well, my people, exactly what it is right now. On to this one, many things had been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.